Hi guys! Haha! Vlog lang tag gamay ha. Kaya nga no, ano lang ko ba na, so thankful lang ko ba. Kay, I feel so thankful nga, kala bitong naka-deal kag, or naka-close kag deal with one customer sa gamay negosyo. So, you should say thank you so much. So, my background are all my kitchen utensils, diba? Na ako sa kitchen, I was gonna cook supposedly right now, but I thought of doing some vlog para ma-promote ang gamay ng mga negosyo. So, as what I said, it's so, nice feeling kung naka-close kag deal with certain customer sa gamay negosyo, diba? So, this is it. I'm trying to do this vlog para i-promote ang among gamay negosyo sa Pilipinas. So, kinsa tong gustong magpagabas og kahoy og lubi, we are at your service. And Boss Gani will be at your service. So, kani nga vlog, ako ni siyang gihimo para to say thank you for that certain person nga na-close na ko ang deal. Kay magpagabas siya og kahoy, o niya, I have to chat and call Isagani and relate to him muunsa ang mga rates and everything. So, you know who you are. I just don't want to mention your name, but you know who you are. Thank you for closing the deal with me. Although, ang mag-hands-on sa kanang paggabas si Isagani and our people. So, thank you so much. So, I'm promoting here our little business, ang among chainsaw. We have an available chainsaw na pwede mo gabas og kahoy ninyo. It could either be whatever kind of kahoy and lubi. Because Bohol, as what you know, na-hit siya sa Typhoon Odette. And nowadays, there are so many leftover na lubi, nga kahoy na nangatumba. And it's so nice to grab this opportunity to have this kind of business nga mugabas mis mga kahoy nga natumba. So this is the reason why I'm promoting our little business, little family business. So I've already posted in my FB timeline about our chainsaw. Pagabas na mo nga gamay negosyo. So right here in this vlog, akong ipop up there ang among little negosyo about our chainsaw, and likewise ako pong ipop up there ang among sand and gravel delivery. So sometimes when I am off duties, ang akong huna-huna na running on something very productive. So when I posted my advertisement in my FB timeline, somebody messaged me, this is it, inquiring about something, what can you offer to me? So syempre, I don't really know the exact rate, kung pila ang pagabas, kung how much Gani should give, whatever it may be. So the person that I'm dealing with, syempre, as a customer na biyan na sila right mo as og some discount. But when I told him, if ever this is the rate that you wanted to be, as per Gani, malugi na me. So it is a very nice feeling when that customer of yours that you're talking with understood how the business goes, diba? So ingon siya, anyway, you're helping me, at the same time I'm helping you. I understand why you cannot give the rate that I wanted to be. So I had to explain everything. This is the reason why, because like this, such and such and such. I don't want to go deeper into that kind of discussion that we had. So I'm so thankful to that customer of ours na na-close na ko ang deal. I-avail niya ang among chainsaw service. And that's it. I'm so happy. I've closed a deal. And thank you so much. You know who you are. I was even telling him, maikog ko nimo, as much as I wanted to give the price that you wanted, but as per Gani, it is already a little bit lugi if we wanted to give you such discount. So thank you once again. Kabalo ko, you know who you are. No need to mention your name, but that's it. And this is one way of saying thank you so much. That's why I'm doing this vlog. Thank you so much, and you know who you are. And for those who wanted to avail our Sun and Gravel delivery, I will be popping up the page, the picture of our Sun and Gravel delivery, and I will be popping up here our chainsaw business, little family business. So as I keep on posting our little business, naara na siya diha. And pwede mo message na ko directly, and Gani is not a social media person, so you better ask me directly through my FB or my Messenger account, because si Jeff dapat unta to akong anak, pero my son has already found a little bit of job, which is a little bit good, the salary that he's earning. So I told him, okay, I'll let you go. I will release you from being one of the responsible person to be contacted when it comes to our little family business. Sayang ba po ang yang i-earn? So ako na lang po ang ning hataw sa pag-promote sa among negosyo. But if you have some questions, because I'll be tagging Jeff with this video, you can message my son Lloyd directly, and for sure he's gonna call his papa. So ako naaman ko sa layo, but I am the one who's doing all the posting in FB, because as what I said, dili maka social media akong hobby niya. Wala na siya phone nga pang social media. He wanted more on calling directly through mobile. So this is the reason why I'm doing this vlog. So thank you so much for that person na naka-close na ko sa deal. And thank you so much. I know we will be doing more business. I know. Thank you so much. Thank you. And for the upcoming business deal that we will be doing, thank you in advance. Okay? So guys, please message me if you want your lubi, gabason, your kahoy, gabason, because nowadays I know there are still so many trees on the ground that need to be sliced para mahimong lumber. Am I getting the correct term? Your kahoy, your lubi will be sliced according to the pedidos that you want. So message me here directly in my FB account. Message Lloyd if ever you wanted to talk to Lloyd, but definitely we will ask Gani directly if it will be fine for him to go in that certain area para gabason ang inyong kahoy, inyong lubi nga nangatumba. Thank you for watching this vlog of mine. Please give it a thumbs up if you like my video. Okay? Bye for now.